In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. Management reports are polished, ready to share report packages that bundle key financial statements with a professional cover page and notes. They're perfect for presenting monthly results to stakeholders without spending hours formatting. Here's how to build one from start to finish. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, move your cursor over the Reports option on the left menu to reveal more choices. This brings up the reporting area and helps you get to the tools designed for presentation-ready reporting. Click Management Reports to open the Management Report Center. This is where all your packaged reports live. If you've never created one before, the page will highlight available templates you can start from. Select Create Report to begin a new package. QuickBooks provides a few templates as a starting point. Pick the one that best matches your needs, such as a concise financial summary or a more comprehensive management package. You'll save time by starting with pre-selected reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows, which you can fine-tune next. After choosing a template, edit the template to make it your own. Update the report title so it clearly states the period and purpose. For example, Management Report, Q1 Results. Adjust the reporting period to the month, quarter, or year you want to review, and choose the accounting method that matches how you track your books. You can customize the cover page by adding your company logo and a brief executive summary to frame the discussion. In the contents area, add or remove individual reports, reorder them to tell a clear story, and apply filters such as classes, locations, or customers if you segment your results. Within each report, review columns. Compare to prior periods or budgets if available, and format totals so they're easy to read. Take a moment to add footnotes or assumptions to clarify unusual items, and verify that headings and dates are consistent throughout. A quick preview helps you check spacing and page breaks before finalizing. When everything looks right, click Publish. Publishing saves a snapshot of this package and moves it into your list of management reports so you can access it again. For future periods, open the same package, update the date range, and publish a fresh version to keep your reporting consistent month after month. Before you wrap up, skim the cover page, confirm the date range on each report, and make sure your branding appears correctly. That's all it takes to create a clear professional management report in QuickBooks Online.